Today we find ourselves between universes, between Oz and Shiz, between the swirl of Gilbert Adrian's old Hollywood dreams and Paul Tazwell's emerald brilliance. Welcome, my lovelies, to another episode of Making a Beautiful Life with me, your host, Eden Valentine. In today's little adventure, I will be conjuring up my own pair of ruby slippers that marry the worlds of Wicked and the original Wizard of Oz. While I adore the elegant swirls of Paul Tazwell's silver slipper designs, for they are so whimsical and delicate, enchanting, and a little foreshadowing, they're missing that certain ineffable sparkle that made the original ruby slippers feel truly magical and unforgettable. And that has nothing to do with Paul Tazwell's exceptional talents. It's just that, honestly, the sharp gaze of high resolution betrays the fantasy genre a bit. The lines between fantasy and make-believe become far too crisp and unforgiving. Even the original ruby slippers lose their spell under the scrutiny of 4K. But luckily, this isn't 4K. This is our own soft, shimmering corner of the universe where a whisper of glue and a handful of sequins can rewrite a story. I begin with a plain shoe, an empty canvas between worlds. With my marker, I draw gentle swirls spacing my lines about a centimeter apart. These become my guide, winding paths for sequins to follow, like little ruby breadcrumbs leading us home. I'm careful not to let my swirls overwhelm the shoe. Too many and the magic gets muddled. We want this enchantment to breathe. When I start applying sequins, I work from the back of the shoe, drifting forward like a wave of sparkle. I try to pay close attention to the way each sequin lies, coaxing them to settle mostly in the same direction, like scales on a dragon's hide or petals on a blooming rose. A little intention makes all the difference. Now to glue these sequins on, I use A6000 glue, the real magic potion, to secure each sequin and rhinestone. Now this is a practice pair, an experiment if you will, a tiny rehearsal for an even grander pair down the yellow brick road. I'm learning what I like and what makes my heart skip, and what might need a swirl or two more. final swirl is set, I sprinkle in a mix of Siam and Siam AB rhinestones in various sizes to deepen the sparkle, to invite the little gasp of wonder when the light catches them just right. And then they're done. Or maybe not done, but waiting for an adventure to begin. So, my darlings, here stand our slippers, half between the world of Oz and Shiz, half between my dreams and yours. May they remind you that magic lives in the spaces in between. Now, if this enchanted little project made you smile, sprinkle a little love down below. Like, comment, share, and come along for more mischief and making, because there is always room for another dreamer on the Yellow Brick Road. Until next time, keep creating, keep believing, and never forget, there's no place like a beautiful life. With Ruby Kisses.